Academy Philippines, where we train professionals and students in practical AI engineering, and we have She is DevCon, our advocacy to empower more women in technology. Across all of these initiatives, our mission has stayed the same: to equip Filipinos with the skills and confidence to build the future. Next slide, please. So that's why today, in today's event is so meaningful for us. The Samsung's Solve for the Future aligns perfectly with what DevCon stands for, giving young innovators the tools, mentorship, and encouragement to turn ideas into real solutions for the communities. Each of the students who joined the competition has shown creativity, resilience, and a genuine desire to make an impact. And that is exactly the spirit that drives our tech community forward. Next slide, please. So on behalf of DevCon, I'd like to congratulate all the finalist mentors and partners, and of course Samsung, for making